Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to turn on maintenance mode on Android 16. Let's begin. First you want to go into the settings, then you want to scroll almost all the way down, head into system, you want to scroll down, and here we have repair mode. Now we can click on it. And as you can see, now we can simply enter our repair mode, so we can do that. But repair mode doesn't support pattern unlock. Please use PIN or password instead. So if we have a different lock screen method than PIN or password, we will have to choose a new lock. So now we want to confirm our current one. Now we can create a new one. So I will go with PIN and a simple 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that is unfortunate, because descending or repeated sequence of digits isn't allowed. Well, that's not good. So yeah, let's go with 1, 2, 3, 6. Haha. 1, 2, 3, 6. Confirm. And now in order to enter our repair mode, we need to restart our current device. So we hit restart now. Now our phone is restarting, and after it's done restarting, we will be already in the maintenance mode or repair mode. The name of the mode is mostly dependent on the device you're using. But yeah, that is all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.